the next tutorial for building the uh, racing game like Dr. Driving, and I made some changes to the previous one, to our current project. So first of all, go to Windows and select rendering, select lightning setting. This will open this tab, and make sure you turn off this real-time global illumination. This is just for improving the performance while we are editing our scene, and you can keep it on if your laptop or your desktop is high-end. Mine is not, so I just turn it on. It will improve our performance. Next, you go to the train, select the train here, and go to settings and untick the cast shadows to off, turn it off. Change the pixel to 50. Change the detail distance to 50 as well. This is just nothing, just improving the performance so that we can work faster. Now what we have to do is go to the asset store and search for texture. Let's see if something is well. Get those programs which are using a lot of memory. Okay, go to textures, search for textures, press enter, and let's see if I can. So go to textures and select change sort by to price low to high. You have to download a not very big file here. Just click on the stylized grass textures and download it. I already downloaded it, so it's showing import. Just import it. Click on import and select all of the options here and all the assets here that will be showing to you but not mine, and then press OK. This will import these three folders here. Now go to scene and select the train, select this paint textures. If your Unity is like older version, you may be showing like different special tab here to paint the textures. Just select this and select here the add layer. Yes, that's what is it in the previous version, add layer. And if you are in the like current version, just select create layer, select this world 42.1, select this here, layers. We have to add the normal map to it. Normal map is what, like, basically it gives us some details like depth detail to our texture. So select this one, increase the brush size, and just paint it all over your train. Okay, so that's it. And now what we have to do is, let's just check our if it's, as we can see here, it's kind of okay. What I want to do is, I want to reduce the tile size to 0.5. Okay, and I may, yeah, what I will do is go to the textures here and select to 512. This will also increase your performance. So make size 20. Let's see. Yep, looks somewhat okay. Now go to your hierarchy and right click 3D object and cube. We'll make a road with this cube. So click here and reset it. Go to the cube. Yep, and scale it to X. Is first, let's position it. So 50 here, Z 50 here, and no rotation. Go to the scale and 100. Okay, go to the cube. We want to increase the width of this, width of our cube. So go to the Z and maybe 10 is okay. Yeah, reduce the size of this. Get to the cube and just what I would do is just position it. Yep, this looks so. So next what we have to do is we have to import download a texture from Google. So let's, for this road, so go to Google and search for road texture. So go here, this one, this this website here, and click on this one, 1K base color. You can also download the normal map, but it's okay, I want to. So import it in your assets. I already have imported it here. And what next is, go to your assets and make a new folder, call it materials. Go inside and create a material, call it raw material. So go to the shader and legacy shader and select the bump diffuse. Now this will create a new material with the with our some shader bump diffuse, which will allow us to import the RBG base map and normal map. So click on select here and select our highway. Now this has created our new material, just import it here and we are done. Also let's select this image here and convert the size to appropriate. I'll suggest it to leave it to 512. Yeah, we will have some details here. So let's also download the node map also. Let's for sorry, I downloaded this, you download this. So select your road and go to the here. See if we have this one. I created, I have deleted. Let's go here and let's try to apply it again. Maybe there is something. Okay. If you want to do the tiling here, you can also do yeah, it looks good, so keep doing it. Maybe 100, 50, 10. I'll leave it to 7. So I'll also change this thing here to 7 as well, and we now have our road ready. So this is it for now, and I think this has 6-7 minutes video now, so I'll end it here, and on next we will create our road using Unity AI to show the for our nav mesh agents. We will use our navigation window here and to make the area where our nav mesh agents will walk or drive. So keep watching guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the part 3 of this video. Thank you.